Today, we're talking about High Potency Multivitamin 400 Mcg Tablet Multivitamins. This medication is a multivitamin product used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency due to poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are important building blocks of the body and help keep you in good health. It's important to take this medication as directed by your healthcare provider. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication may vary based on individual needs, so it's best to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized recommendations. When taking these high-potency multivitamin 400 micrograms tablet multivitamins, it's important to follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. Take it by mouth, usually once daily. It's best to take it at the same time each day to ensure you get the most benefit from it. Remember not to take more than the recommended dosage. If you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. Some common side effects of this medication include constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the medication. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, it means they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. While it's rare, a severe allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects not listed here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You can also report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects and report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. If the multivitamin you are taking contains iron, it is crucial to store it in a place that is not accessible to children. Accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a common cause of fatal poisoning in children under 6 years old. If an overdose does occur, seek medical assistance immediately or contact a poison control center. Before taking this high-potency multivitamin, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to its ingredients, soy, or peanuts, as it may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. It's also crucial to discuss your medical history, especially if you have a history of alcohol abuse, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal problems. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency before taking it, as folic acid may affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency. It's important to inform your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding before using this medication, as it can pass into breast milk. And before having surgery, inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with high-potency multivitamin 400 micrograms tablet multivitamins. If your multivitamin contains iron, you should avoid taking it at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or certain antibiotics. It's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to determine the optimal timing for taking your multivitamin and any other medications. Additionally, if your multivitamin contains folic acid, make sure to inform your healthcare provider if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. It's also important to note that this medication may affect certain lab test results, so be sure to inform all medical professionals involved in your care that you are taking this multivitamin. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the US, you can call 1-800-222-1222 for your local poison control center, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Remember to keep all your scheduled medical and lab appointments. It's important to note that some brands may include ingredients like docusate. If you have any questions about the specific ingredients in your brand, be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. It's essential to understand that this product is not meant to replace a balanced diet. It's always best to get your vitamins from healthy foods. Be sure to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines given to you by your doctor. If you forget to take your High Potency Multivitamin 400 micrograms tablet on your scheduled time, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Don't take double doses to make up for the missed one. Just take your next dose at the regular time. It's important to store your High Potency Multivitamin 400 micrograms tablet multivitamins at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Avoid storing them in the bathroom, and make sure to keep them out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of your multivitamins, do not flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. Remember to always handle your medications with care. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.